Hey guys, I'm Inanna Hauger, number 331. I race for Hammer Motorsports, Polaris team. So last season I ended up second in the points championship. So this year I'm just really looking forward to hopefully getting lots of wins and a championship and yeah, just improving every race. I definitely have tracks that I like better than others, but ultimately you have to adapt to whatever track is out there for you, and the team makes me really comfortable on the sled, and Polaris does too, so I can adapt to pretty much any track and do well.